Hi, Dr. Lindsey here. This is a 14-month follow-up on 2,600 grafts on a 37-year-old man. And this man with fine hair came in last summer and he was planning to have a baby, and so he wanted to time his hair transplant to coincide with paternity time off, which worked great. And so we did this 2,600 graft case on him. He came in daily for cleaning. I saw him at a month for a scar check, and then he called and came in about 2 weeks ago. So he looks like this. His hairline is unremarkable. His scar is virtually imperceptible. He definitely has a crown that's going to need some attention, but I think he's planning to coincide that with the next child coming. As he holds a public position, he was not able to do a video where we can comb through his hair. Nevertheless, to summarize, this is a 37, now 38-year-old fellow, 1 year out from 2,600 grafts with an unremarkable hairline, a barely detectable scar, and we do these all the time. If we can help you, please give us a call. Thank you.